Hey friends, what you're looking at here is my blasting hose and nozzle assembly for the cabinet right there, the blasting cabinet. And there's a temporary one in there right now that's being utilized, but this one here, I wanted to just show the wear pattern on the inside of this, because the media was cavitating in here, and I'm going to reconstruct this whole assembly, but I'm going to do it a little bit better, and I'm going to incorporate the size diameter hose. Go to Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, and find some pipe that this hose will fit inside, and then sleeve it down or up to fit into this coupler, which holds the blasting nozzle in place. Now, this kind of wear is because the blasting media, as I said earlier, was cavitating in here, and this is titanium there, so this had to have a tremendous amount of force and direct contact, the blasting media coming through the hose, hitting into the system, being funneled down into this nozzle. Of course, this is going to be thrown away. I got to buy a new one, but I just wanted to show just how this is all put together here. Now this one, I took this 3/4 inch square pipe, or not square pipe, but round pipe right here, and I drilled some holes in it, and I put this other pipe on the inside, welded it down to serve as a wear sleeve on the inside, and you can see the patterns of wear there. Which the whole thing is junk. This is probably, I'd say, probably 50 hours of blasting right there. And there's some residual media right here. That looks to be like walnut shells. And this went inside of this sleeve right here, which went into this. And what it needs to do is it needs to sit flushly against this end of the nozzle. So I'll go down to SOT next week or the week after and buy the new materials, the new expendable supplies like this. But I'll hopefully have this set up in conjunction with the gun that I have in there, the handmade gun, that I can hold the nozzle. And I've got a new light coming from Western Technology to put on this hose, one of the newer blasting lights that they have, to make this thing work, so I can get back into operations again on the inside of that cabinet. So that's about it. Such is life. Be good to one another. We'll make it through this virus. We will. It's probably well, I know it is. It's a bioengineered weapon meant to create havoc, create a worldwide problem, a pandemic. It's really not. It's not a virus. It's not a living organism. It's a protein cell surrounded with a lot of fat. So what it does is it gets in your mucous membranes in the cold area inside your skull, and then it mutates. It mutates into something that really makes your body feel like it's having a very bad cold. So if you have underlying circumstances in your health, it's going to exaggerate that, and you can have problems. So this is another 9/11 redux on steroids that's going on in the world right now. It's all baloney, okay? It's a real sickness, but it's not as bad as people say, or as the media. The media is the worst thing ever. They are liars, they are cheats, and they are no good. None of them. So every single one of them, it's hard to believe I went from talking about my blasting nozzle to this. So It's quite a jump. I apologize for that. So stay safe. Wash your hands often. Drink hot liquids, and you'll get over it. We all will. Okay, and this will be back to normal in no time. Be good. Chiefs, be good. Look up the light. Look up. Look up. Remember, the greatest great Thoth is our advocate. He will help us. Okay? Bye-bye. See you.